Senator Bongbong Marcos is now ruling out a possible tandem with Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. Mayor Duterte decided over the weekend that he will seek the presidency in the 2016 elections. Marcos, who has a loose coalition with Senator and 2016 presidential aspirant Miriam Defensor Santiago, is running for vice president in the coming polls. More from Jade Miguel.
Senator Bongbong Marcos hinted on the possibility of a Duterte-Marcos tandem for 2016. Although he admitted that he and Duterte are still talking, the senator shared that they have not discussed the details regarding their possible coalition.
Siguro pag pwede namin pag-usapan at tignan kung paano ang gagawin, paano magiging samahan.
Marcos said everything depends on the offer from Duterte's camp, but as of now, the senator has not heard anything from Duterte. The vice presidential aspirant added that he does not want to speculate on the matter until he receives a formal offer.
Hindi ko alam anong sarado saan. Wala pang proposal eh. So hindi pa natin sabi kung maganda ang proposal o hindi. So antayin muna natin na kung ano yung gustuhin niya. Pero sa karoon ng let's not speculate. Gawin na natin, let us kung pagka meron talagang ganyan saka natin pag-isipan.
At present, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano is the presumptive running mate of Duterte amid declaration of the Davao City Mayor of his intent to run as president, while Marcos coalesced with Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago last October. But coming from Santiago and Marcos themselves, they said that their tandem is a loose coalition. Even until now, the pair has not yet been seen together by the public, doing rounds in provinces in preparation for the upcoming campaign period.
We are trying to organize a loose coalition. So, kung ano ngayon ang ibig sabihin nun, kailangan pa namin desisyonan. At siguro, pag-uusapan ito hanggang pagdating ng campaign period.
For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.